We've got our first production system right here for the new 3.4 twin turbo V6 Tundras. Right up front, we've got an equal length front section that is 70 millimeter diameter straight into an 80 millimeter system from here all the way to the back. Got some drone canceling technology going on here. Little baby resonator up over the axle. And then we've got out back a dual tip design right here. We've also got high clearance options. And then out here on these tips, we've got every option available with these 4-inch slash cut tips. We got your titanium, your burnt titanium, your Cerakote black, and right here, the polished stainless. As you can see, we're cruising here at 75 miles an hour. Absolutely no drone whatsoever in here. Sitting at about between 17 and 1800 RPM. No problems.